Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a contents page. So say we got a document which, I know this is only 5 pages, but let's say you got a really long document. I don't know, 500 pages, 1,000 pages, who knows. So what you want to do to make a contents page is click on where it says References in the top menu. So click References. Then we want to find where it says Table of Contents, which is this button on the far left just below File. Click on where it says Table of Contents. We can use one of the built-in table contents tables, or we can have a custom. Let's say we'll have custom. And you could do a basic table of contents like this, as basic as this. As you'll notice, in the preview you got heading 1, all dots and 1. What you can also do, you can go where it says tab leader. If you don't want the dots, you can have this. You can have these what looks like minuses instead. And then in the general you've got your format, which is from the template. You could have a nice classic one. Which means if you want any of the tab leaders, you'll have to go back and insert those yourself. And if we wanted to have, say, 2 levels, it will show you, you'll see that heading 2 is smaller than heading 1. But at the moment, we just want the 1 level. And then we click OK. Saying, do you want to replace the second table of contents? Yes, you do. And this is a table of contents. And what you can also do is they've actually made links for you. So if I wanted to go say on, I don't know, Career Pathways mind map, you press Control on your keyboard and you'll see the mouse has changed into a little finger pointing at what you want to click on. Let's say you want to click on Career Pathways mind map. We just click and it takes us to that page. And if we want to go back up, we can.